Tell us a bit about your car. It's wild.
It started its life as a 2000 model PT Cruiser. It was a write-off.
Right.
I took it home and totally stripped it down to a bare shell.
Nice, nice.
And then I thought, what do I do with it? So basically it was all stripped to no doors, no guard, just a bare shell.
Right.
New firewall, new floor. Then I thought, what can I fit inside of it? I'm a Chrysler man, so I went for a Chrysler, the biggest Chrysler you can get.
Nice.
7.2 litres.
That is absolutely mental.
After completing it, all engineered.
Yep.
Took it in Eastern Creek, scared the crap out of myself because you got the wobbles up.
Yep. Yep.
Anyway, had a bit of fun. Took it home, and several years later, I thought, what else could I do to it? Bunnings, a couple of angle grinders, cut the back off. Made into a ute.
Very good. I love it. So it was once upon a time still a station wagon as such.
Still a station wagon.
Yep.
The back windows off the tailgate.
Right.
That's about all you can recognise.
And you kind of blended it in, like the rear of the actual hatch onto the body, yeah?
Yes.
Yeah, nice.
You can see from there, all of this was fabricated.
Right.
All the doors got welded in.
Yeah, yeah.
And made into basically a ute.
Because these were a four-door originally, weren't they, too?
So
you've couped it up more or less as well. Yeah.
There's a lot of work gone into the interior. It's all digital.
Right, right.
Thanks to my wife, she did a lot of the interior work.
Oh, very good. Excellent.
The trim.
Yep.
That's all this fancy stitching there around the wheel and everything else.
Nice, nice.
It still resembles a PT Cruiser.
Oh, so I saw it from a mile away, but this is drastically different and absolutely insane compared to everything otherwise you see. And you don't see many of these in the first place, but to see it like this, like I'm recognising old Chrysler parts here. My folks have an old VC Valiant and it's got the exact same key lock barrel, so yeah.
No, everything still works. Electric mirrors, electric seats, everything still works.
Yep.
All the mechanical, electrical and tuning all done by me.
Nice.
I did automotive engineering in my younger days.
Right, okay.
And worked for Chrysler.
Yeah, right, right.
Other than that, what can I say? I use it as a daily driver.
You daily this, wow.
It's got a tow bar. I go to Bunnings with a trailer. I've had beams, what do you call it, retaining wall put in the back. And the guy nearly cried when he saw me loading them in the back of this. Just a blanket over the back, and just like, it's to be driven. I mean, you're not going to spend all this time and effort and park it in the shed.
Absolutely not. Yeah, that's exactly right.
So what you do is you go to Coles for $2 milk and spend $10 getting there and back.
I mean, it's purposeful. You can certainly fit a bit of milk in there.
And I put a sign here for people complain that the carb is spotless and everything else.
Right.
See what it says there?
All balls, no bling. I'll have to bleep that, but yep. Very good.
You drive it.
Yep.
You're long time dead.
Wow, that is unbelievable. Like the amount of work, and how long did it actually take you to do this?
To do this front bit that took 9 months. Right. About full time on and off.
Yep.
The back part of the ute, again in my garage, took roughly 9 weeks.
Okay.
Cut, start to finish.
Yep, yep.
Okay.
Nice.
So, I don't know what else is left to do on it.
How much, I mean, if you were going to do anything else, what would you do? I mean, you've pretty much completely altered like the front end appearance. This is like the GT Cruiser, is it?
PT.
It is a PT still? Because I know they had like a different model over there in the States and everything.
It was the base model, 2 litre base model.
Right.
That's what it
started off as.
That's how I bought it.
Yeah, yeah.
Not a 2.4, just a 2 litre.
The 2 litre model.
That you can get out and walk quicker.
Yeah, fair enough, yeah. A lot quicker. But you still said you had like parts from the States, the headlights from the States?
The headlights, everything is imported.
Right. Because we didn't get that design out here, did we?
No, not that kind of black lights. I wanted the black to match the black.
Gotcha, yep.
Obviously the wipers got upgraded to the late model wipers.
Right.
You can see me radiator caps up there.
I was going to say, I noticed that. It's such a radiator reservoir, is it?
Room.
Yeah, yeah, absolutely. I see you got little like recesses as well. You've had to box that in just so it looks
Otherwise
flush.
Would have stuck through the grill. And if you look down there, there's 10 mil clearance between the front and the
Oh, wow. That's... So is this pure air coolers? No, I'm not seeing a fan.
No,
there's fan. Yep,
radiator.
Yep. I meant like the fan itself. I couldn't see the fan.
It runs cool. It runs all cool.
Yeah, nice.
I don't like clutter inside here, so even the MSD brake burster, everything's hidden inside.
Yeah, nice. So it's all tucked away, out of the way.
the back, the mist is now my radio aerial,
Yep. Yeah.
and the fuel cap's inside the tail light.
Inside the tail light, no way.
Yeah,
And you got side exhaust as well,
one each side.
one each side. Nice, so it's a V split straight up.
Yeah.
Nice. What about the wheels? What wheels we have here?
I did have Velvet specialties that were 18s and 20s, but
Right.
potholes, they bend. I need something more rubber
Yeah,
for the
absolutely.
rough roads,
Yeah.
so I can swap and change.
Yeah, fair enough. Yeah. Well, I suppose you got solid shocks and everything like that. Have you got upgraded suspension at all, or?
It's 4 linked.
Right. Yep. Well, appreciate your time. Thank you very much for that.
No worries.
Excellent. Thank you.